Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you build your website with Hostinger Websites Builder and want to use professional email with Google Workspace, you don't need to move your website or domain. Most people break email because they touch the wrong DNS record, so we will not. Okay, so first thing first, get Google Workspace DNS record. So log in to Google Workspace Admin Console. Okay. Then go to Domains, Manage Domains, select your domain, choose Setup Google's Workspace and activate Gmail. Google will give you MX records, usually like mx at espmx.l.google.com. okay, so copy these exactly, not guessing. Open your domain's DNS manager. So go where your DNS is managed: Hostinger, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, any registrar, and open DNS settings or DNS records. All email setup happens here, not in Hostinger Websites Builder. Okay, so add Google Workspace MX records. In DNS, remove all MX records, especially Hostinger, Mail, or other providers. Add Google MX records exactly as provider. Okay, so type the name, value, priority, TTL. Okay, so only one email provider's MX records should exist. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.